yamawe erizoba cyarenga basi cyenda kigwa muri turera yaenda kikanule twabaletiro Azizi Confectionery Bakery eri mu Kabale municipality harwajugwa Christ the King atuzimbe echaore horizon harwajugwa cha Confectionery Azizi yo Bakery yamawe ne yakabiwe emigati y'abagore amandazi nemigati muramuri kugireba waba ine nko mugore arenda kujwara nawo mulete waba Azizi Confectionery Bakery erajugwa Christ the King atuzimbe echaore horizon bachiga TV tubiyaga tugambaga mazima kandi ekikuru nembabazi no kushabirana no bunyindo kwisa haliyo za keki amandazi emigati yainde mihango kandi namba yabo lekanje bashomere Azizi Confectionery namba yo kandi bashomere ni nsha 0 atano na mnana 0 chena lemwe kaga na mnana ejone simu yo kubanza yaba Azizi Confectionery Bakery abajwa Christ the King atuzimbe cha horizon hanyuma yetsha omuri kabana tontora jikale intelligible according to matter of erosion eyindi namba yabo ni 0 nshanju emwe chena na mnana chena na mukaga anana na mushanju niye namba yaba Azizi Confectionery omuri kabare e Bakery yebei yestinisa yemawe nabakama nimwe baraba ari kweshunjira ngeni wabo tarazowa Azizi Confectionery Bakery tontologically adale pandale with the Bachiga TV. That is at the advert of the Erosion Bachiga TV Nation Chris Prince with a videography and detail in action packed and reloaded. Konkaito ayanjura ni Azizi Bakery Confectionery extraordinary beyond of limit above the old tragedy pass. Bachiga TV we will always conquer the nation and remain.